Tuesday, December 9th, 2025, AGNDD, intelliReport topic, Macrobdella decora. Please pardon any visual and informational inaccuracies in this entirely AI-generated article-based video. Discover Macrobdella decora, the North American medicinal leech, its history, phylogeny, and distinctive features. Macrobdella decora, the North American medicinal leech, was first described as Hirudo decora by Thomas Say in 1824 in an appendix to a book on a Minnesota River expedition. Say noted it was smaller and rarer than other leeches like Placobdella parasitica, Nephelis lateralis, and Hemipus marmorata. In 1872, Addison Emery Verrill created the genus Macrobdella, Greek for big leech, and transferred the species. Phylogenetically, Monsieur decora is sister to Monsieur diplotertia. Previously, Monsieur ditretta was thought sister to this pair, but the 2019 discovery of Monsieur mimicus positioned it as sister to the Decora diplotertia clade. A study by Anna J. Phillips et al., using maximum likelihood (ML) and maximum parsimony (MP), revealed Macrobdella as paraphyletic, excluding the monophyletic Philobdella clade. The Decora, Diplotertia, and Mimicus form a monophyletic group, with Monsieur ditretta more distant. MP placed Philobdella sister to the trio, ML placed its sister to Monsieur ditretta. Macrobdella decora, a medium-sized leech, measures 8.5 centimeters, 2.03.3 in length and weighs 1.53.7 grams, 0.0530.131 ounces, based on 6 specimens. Its dorsal side is dark green, brown, or olive green, featuring a central line of about 20 orange or red dots, flanked by 2 sets of black dots on the sides. The ventral side is reddish or orange with irregularly scattered black spots. The body has a rounded back and flattened belly. Like all leeches, it possesses 32 internal segments, concealed by 94 external ring markings known as annuli. Anatomy of Macrobdella decora. Macrobdella decora, a North American leech, features a rounded head with 10 simple eyes arranged in a horseshoe pattern across segments 2, 9 pairs on segments 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, and 9. Its nervous system consists of 21 ganglia along a ventral cord with 2 parallel fibers in a sheath. The brain, positioned above the pharynx, is bipartite, each half linking to 5 ocelli via optic nerves. The leech has 3 semicircular chitinous jaws with serrated edges, each bearing about 65 sharp teeth. These jaws use a sawing motion to pierce skin. The digestive system includes a muscular pharynx, first 1/10 of tract, an elongated stomach, 5/6 body length divided into 11 chambers, a narrowing intestine, colon, and rectum. The anus sits dorsally above the posterior sucker. Nephridia regulate saltwater balance but struggle with hypertonic solutions. A 1987 study showed Monsieur decora is less efficient than Hirudo medicinalis at expelling excess water and salt during osmotic shock. Leeches are hermaphrodites, with male reproductive organs maturing before female ones. Testis sacs produce sperm in the body cavity, while ovisacs handle oogenesis and connect to the vagina via oviducts. Epididyms link the vas deferens to ejaculatory ducts. In Macrobdella decora, 10 pairs of testis sacs span segments 13, 23, featuring large coiled epididyms. Ovisacs, crescent-shaped or globular, reside in segment 13 with thin, tortuously folded oviducts, per a 2023 study. Male and female gonopores are separated by 5 annuli, aiding species identification. The withdrawn male gonopore is a simple hole between segments 11, 12. Everted, it forms a small, furrowed cone with the organ at the tip. 4 copulatory glands form a square on rough skin in segments 13, 14. Leech saliva, particularly from Macrobdella decora, contains key compounds like hirudin, a potent anticoagulant. M. decora's saliva also features unique substances, including decorsin, another anticoagulant potentially exclusive to this species. Its full salivary transcriptomy, all expressed mRNA, was detailed in a 2010 study. A 2019 paper in the Journal of Parasitology analyzed hirudin and decorsin from decora alongside hirudin and hirudin-like factors, non-anticoagulant hirudin mimics, from European leech species. The research concluded that blood-sucking behavior in jawed leeches likely originated from a single evolutionary event. Macrobdella decora, the most widespread Macrobdella species, inhabits North America east of the Rocky Mountains, spanning southern Canada and the U.S., with an isolated population in Nuevo León, Mexico. It extends west to Alberta, North Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, and New Mexico, and east to Prince Edward Island. Southward, it's limited mostly north of Virginia, though present in southern Appalachians like Georgia and South Carolina. The species may be panmictic across much of its range, but some Ontario and New England populations show genetic isolation warranting further phylogeographic study. This freshwater leech thrives in still or slow-moving waters such as streams, temporary ponds, ditches, and wetlands, often burrowing in drying ponds. It can survive briefly on land, up to 30 meters from water, and may hitch rides on terrestrial hosts, though dispersal is limited. In lakes, it's active in the epilimnion. NatureServe deems it secure in Ontario. A 2021 study called it unendangered. On A Naturalist, as of October 2025, it's Canada's most observed leech and the U.S.'s second most, after Macrobdella parasitica. Macrobdella decora, a North American leech, exhibits both parasitic and predaceous behaviors. As a parasite, it uses its teeth to pierce the skin of various vertebrates, including humans, amphibians, fish, turtles, wading birds, and cattle, sucking their blood for up to 2 hours per attachment. Predatorily, it voraciously consumes oligocete worms, snails, amphibian eggs, insect larvae, and even conspecifics. In spring, its aggressive predation on American toad eggs can cause up to 80% mortality. In 2020, it was observed preying on tiger salamander larvae in Minnesota. Conversely, Monsieur decora faces threats. It is preyed upon by the predatory scavenger leech Hemopus grandis and parasitized by trematodes, including the species Alloglossodium hamrumi, newly described from its intestine in 1976. Leeches engorge on blood prior to mating. 1 to 2 months post-feeding, they form spongy, pale yellow elliptical cocoons. Roughly a month later, juveniles emerge, measuring 20 to 22 mm, 0.79-0.87 in length. Maturity takes several years. The gut microbiome refers to the microorganisms inhabiting an animal's digestive tract. In the North American leech Macrobdella decora, this microbiome closely resembles that of the European Hirudo verbana. Dominant bacterial genera include Aeromonas, Bacteroides, Butyricicoccus, and Proteocatella. Within the intraluminal fluid, gut fluids, Aeromonas and Bacteroidalis bacteria are most prevalent, comprising a median of 60% of the microbiota. Clostridiales make up much of the remainder, accounting for a median of 30%. This composition highlights the specialized microbial community supporting the leech's digestive processes. Macrobdella decora, a North American leech, can parasitize humans and is commonly encountered by swimmers in Canada and the northern United States, occasionally leading to restrictions or closures of swimming areas. In contrast, Europe's Hirudo medicinalis was traditionally used for bloodletting. Although not typically employed for medicinal purposes, Monsieur decora served as a substitute for imported European leeches in 19th century Philadelphia, with naturalist Addison Emery Verrill noting in 1872 that it was equally efficacious. Human leech trading may have facilitated their spread between water bodies. Today they are sometimes used as fishing bait, though less favored due to their tendency to escape traps and anecdotal reports of lower appeal to fish compared to other leech species. In summary, Macrobdella decora exemplifies the intriguing world of leeches, blending historical significance, phylogenetic complexity, and striking physical traits for medicinal and ecological roles.
Thank you for watching this AGNDD intelliReport, dear viewers. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button to get notified during new uploads. And make sure to tune in next time. Stay safe and healthy. Cheers.